I have HUAWEI Mate 9 Pro, and let me show you how to bypass Google verification on the following device. So let me show you how to unlock the FRP, how to activate your device without the Google account. As you can see, at some point of initializing setup process, the following screen may pop up: verify your account. Let me show you how to bypass this step. Let's press power key, choose restart and touch restart again to confirm it. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the welcome panel pops up. Alright, now let's hold down 2 fingers on the screen to enable Talkback. Let me show you. Let's keep holding 2 fingers.
Talkback on. Talkback is a screen reader primarily for people with blindness and low vision. It allows interaction with the device using spoken feedback. Talkback tutorial. Showing items 1 to 3 of 5.
That's what we need. Now let's write L on the screen. Let me show you the L letter.
Talkback. Alert global context menu. Showing items 1 to 8 of 8. Automatically advancing to Lesson 1. Lesson 1, Basic Navigation. Part 1, Explore by Touch.
That's what we need. Now let's open Talkback Settings. So in order to do it, you have to tap on the Talkback Settings 1
Talkback Settings
and then double tap.
Talkback.
Alright, now you can use the Talkback settings. Let me disable the Talkback to easily navigate here. So let's hold down together volume down and volume up simultaneously.
Alert accessibility short.
Tap OK, double tap.
Okay. Talkback settings.
Let's hold down together again, volume down and volume up. Let me show you. Alright, the Talkback is disabled, so now we can scroll down, choose help and feedback. Let's use get started with voice access. Let's play the video. Use this arrow key right here and tap more key. Let's choose more key again. Let's use the arrow key again. Now let's choose email. Choose the Yahoo. And now you have to enter some Yahoo account. So if you have the Yahoo account, you can just log in here. If you don't have any Yahoo account, you have to create one just for this purpose. So in my case, let me enter my email. Alright, let's enter the password. Let me do it. Alright, now let's choose sign in. Let me tap next right here. And that's it. So here you've got your Yahoo account. And what you have to do, you have to send the email with the application that you can download by using our link in the description, and you have to send this email to this account, to the Yahoo account. As you can see here, I have my email with my application. So let me open the following app, the shortcut manager, the shortcut maker. Let me download this. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent. Now let's choose settings. Let's allow the app installation. Let's go back, choose install, tap open, and now we can use the following application. So let's write here the home. Let's type in home in order to open the HUAWEI home. Tap HUAWEI home, the first one, choose try. Tap setup phone, and that's what we need. Now we can use the main phone screen. So now let's tap the Play Store right here. And now you have to sign in into the Google account. It could be any Google account, even the new one created right now, not connected to this device. Just sign in into some Google account. So let me do it. Let me sign in into the Google account not connected to this device. Alright, let's tap OK, choose next. Now it's time to enter the password. Let's wait a few seconds. Let me enter my password. Alright, let's choose next. Tap agree. Tap more, agree. And everything went well. Now you can use the Google Play. So now all you have to do is just press the power key, choose restart, tap restart again. Alright, the home screen pops up. Now to fully erase the FRP, you have to perform the hard reset from the settings. So let's choose settings, scroll down, tap system, select reset, choose factory data reset. Here you've got your accounts that you add in the process right here. Let's choose reset phone and reset phone one more time. The device is performing the factory reset. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, the welcome panel pops up. Let's just quickly go through the initializing setup process. Tap skip, agree to terms and conditions. Let me just tap later to improvement project right here. Let me agree to the following services. Now let me skip the Wi-Fi. It's a good sign that we can skip connecting to a Wi-Fi. Tap setup as a new, skip the data transfer, okay. Let me choose not now to cloud. Let me also skip the fingerprint, choose get started. As you can see, you just activate your device without the Google account. So it's a good sign, and it means that you just successfully erase the factory reset protection. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.